I was driving down the interstate the other day and I passed this car hauler. Now, it wasn't anything unusual at first, but then I noticed it was making a funny sound. Well, it took me a minute to figure out what the sound was because it wasn't coming from the semi itself. It was instead coming from one of the cars that was being hauled on top of the semi. The protective plastic on the car was flapping in the air, making a buzzing or flapping sound. Now, this isn't unusual and it's not really that noteworthy, but I thought it was kind of funny. And I hope you do too. I could probably stand something. Water or something.
Is he putting on the brake or what?
Oh, it's plastic on top of the damn car flapping.
Flapping, oh. Damn.
Well, that Peterbilt's got some bad gas.
That's a heavy load too, all them trucks on there. Or SUVs.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.